Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I want to share with you our Instagram account. Let me show you. I'm going to scroll down. I know we do have a social media course, but all of our websites, all the social media is blocked. So this is what the Miss Todoric Instagram looks like. So I usually do this at the end of the school year and just kind of give you an idea of what we've done in the past, whether it's a business I went to visit or whether it's student work. This was a student. She did that right before the holiday break. This t-shirt I made for a student, never forget. He designed it. We did a snowflakes SEO assignment in social media class, so that's that. This is a student of mine, her little sister, the middle school student I showcased. She has a YouTube channel, so my student shared that channel with me. So it goes back. So this is what my desk looked like. I'm always changing the classroom. I share the classroom, so that's just a picture of it. Juice WRLD, another t-shirt I made for a student. Here we have a notes that a student wrote to get the bags. I told him I live right next to the outlet, so I can pick up any of these shopping bags. So these were the top companies they selected. This is just my progress. Every now and then I'll post, how many subs we have on YouTube. Different companies we try and buy different promotional items like that. The car vinyl, DKNY. This is like, I think this, who drew this? Someone drew this for me. I think my cousin's daughter drew that for me. Furla, Feastables. This was a pretty cool lunchbox. That was at Walmart. So you'll see a lot of different, this was Ride Playland over the summer. When I left my last job, missing them. Just kind of little post that was right before I left my last job over in Westchester. This was, again, my last job. These were student entrepreneurs, posters, and we had a lot of great entrepreneurs. That was amazing. I was very pleased to see all these students. And one student graduated. She still does her thing. I'm actually invited her to our career day, so she's going to come in and talk to my current students now about her business. She does hair, so that's pretty cool. We have another student entrepreneur. Also, these were a lot of student entrepreneurs. This company did, they offered some type of scholarship. I think you gotta take a look at it for entrepreneurs. It's called City Trends. Let's take a look. Double donations. I always work with Donors Choose. Love that organization. Swiss Miss Marshmallows, gingerbread houses. I didn't do any gingerbread houses this year, but this was last year. Designing, like more of a fashion merchandising class. I wish I taught that, but both schools, they didn't offer that. But this I like to do, just kind of fashion and kind of design my own clothing and sew. Classroom pets. Birthday girl, another student entrepreneur. We did a fan mail assignment in the past. So this is just kind of like a review, and then of 2024, and then we get to 2023. So I'm going to stop right there. But if you want, I'm just going to kind of scroll so you can see what I've done in the past. And this goes back 2023. I forgot when I started this Instagram. But in the past, I've done the doodle. And this is back in a different high school. Rest in peace, Jake. This was out at Greenberg 11. So yeah, so this goes in a different. So that's the campus in Dobbs Ferry where I used to teach in the past. That was the one school district I made tenure. And then they renovated during COVID. I was there. We made a keyboard game for our website. I think this is the time when I first started the website, Miss Todoric and thecoolclassroom.com. And it was only because I revamped the school website from Weebly to Wix. And then that's when I started my own website. And then going back, made some more t-shirts. Paula Chu, thank you. She's always a great supporter of my classroom. She always donates. fan mail. This is the process of when they were renovating the school. That was pretty cool. I can't believe I got a picture of that. Wow. Web design. I probably gave that book. I don't know what that book is. I probably gave it away. I could use it right now that I'm teaching web design. Let's see. Doodle for Google. That's a nice bulletin board. They did great designing these Google logos. Now that I'm doing social media, that poster is really nice. I should probably print that out. And this was during the time of COVID. I had designed them. I think this was on Bonfire. They designed their own face masks. We had competitions on NitroType. So now it looks like this is when we first started NitroType. Because I remember I used to do a lot of competitions with typing. And I was teaching the little kids too. So this was a kindergarten to 12th grade school. So they loved the NitroType, the middle school and elementary. Not so much kindergarten, first grade. They have difficulty with the typing website. But yep, so this was, wow. Yep, this is my NitroType. You should take a look at my NitroType account now. It's changed. I have like over 6,000 races. So this was when I first started. And then going back, this was interesting. This was a nice post. I'm going to click on this. This is my first project on Donors Choose. This is way back in my early 20s. I was teaching, I believe this was at my first job, 2007. This is Patterson. No, this wasn't my first job, but this was in Patterson. Yeah. No, my first job was out in Wildcat in the Bronx, but this wasn't it. Alrighty, so we're going down. Oh, the George Floyd. We did Black Lives Matter t-shirts. Going down, down, down. Pull at you. My friend, we go volunteer at Donors Choose, the headquarters over in New York City. Tinker. This is a great organization, Pathfinders, once a year. I think every teacher, if you're into robotics or computers, they should definitely attend that conference. Some certificates going down, Adam Sandler, fan mail. And here we have, thank you for, this is cute. What is this? Thank you for letting sharpen my pencil. Oh, that's cute. So even if it's just notes from students, me in some glasses. Oh, look at me, I look so chubby. I think I lost weight. Oh, there I am. Teachers pay teachers. This is, I like posting my content. This is another way teachers can make side money. And then this was a conference they had in New York City, which was, it's great. I think every teacher, it inspires you, especially if you're posting content on TPT. You meet other authors there, and they just they give you a goodie bag. It was nice. That was a nice event. Donors Choose, I go quite often. I got to start going again. GoPro, and then that's pretty much it. So it all started right here, Dobbs Ferry, Greenberg 11. So that's that. First post, does it have a year? Yeah, 2019. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3 schools. And then NitroType, we have a category. I haven't posted such a NitroType or any highlights or any new books. So this is an old book I published. Yeah, a couple years ago I got to start writing. And then congrats, what is this? Oh, this was a winner for one of our NitroType challenges. Pathfinders, and then that's it. So you have my link here. I have to update. I'm no longer at that school. I don't even know why the address is there. And then links to my website. All right, so that's the Instagram account. I got to start posting more. I think I've been focused more on YouTube this whole school year, but in the past I was consistent on Instagram. Oh, this is a classic t-shirt, everyone, the computer classroom. So that's pretty cool. And this student, it was pretty cool because I remember this particular student. when I was at Greenberg 11. And then when I moved, he was actually came to the other school. He lived in the other school I worked for. So bumped into him twice, and then he told me he still had that T-shirt. I was like, that is awesome. But yep, that's one of the older T-shirts. Obviously, if you're watching the channel, you know that the whole YouTube, everything used to be called the computer classroom. Always taught in a computer lab. And then now it's changed. I'm in like a regular classroom, but not even my classroom right now. So I share the classroom. So some classrooms have computers in it, others don't. I'm kind of like a floating teacher that hops in different classrooms. So we do the best of it. I got to show you my cart. That's what I should post. It's like a little classroom cart. But I will do that next year. So 2025, I'll start with like a picture of the little classroom cart I move to the various classrooms. And this is our Instagram. So if you are on social media, you can follow me here. I follow just about everyone, a lot of followers, and every now and then I'll post something. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.